Hey everyone, welcome back to Mathics. Today's video we're going to solve 4 SAT math questions, equation, function, percentage, and geometry, step by step and super simple. Let's jump right in. We have the equation, minus 3x plus 21px equals 84, where p is a constant. The equation has no solution. So, what's the value of p? In this equation, if there's no solution, it must lead to a contradiction like 0 equals 1 or something like this. Factoring gives 3x times 7p minus 1 equals 84. If we divide both sides by 3, we get x times 7p minus 1 equals 28. Now, for the equation to have no solution, 7p minus 1 must be 0. Otherwise, x will just take some value that satisfies the equation. So, p equals 1/7. For example, if it's 2, we get 2x equals 28, then x equals 14 and we have solution, so it must be 0. The second question. What percentage of 300 is 75? This is the formula for calculating percentage. Here, part is 75 and whole is 300. So, percent equals 75 divided by 300 times 100. So the answer is 25%. Now the third one. We have a linear function question. 3 points are given, and we need to find the equation of the line. The first way is to test the options. We can plug in the x values into each equation and check which one gives the correct y values. If all 3 points work, that's our answer. Now we plug x equals 1 into the first option. We get y equals 32, which is correct. But when we try the other options, they don't match. So option 1 must be the right answer. The second way is that, as we can see, when x increases by 1 unit, y increases by 3 units. According to the definition of slope, delta y over delta x, we can say the slope is 3. And option A is the only one that has a slope of 3. Now the last question. Right triangles PQR and SDU are similar, where P corresponds to S. If the measure of angle Q is 18 degrees, what is the measure of angle S? Okay, since the triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. Both triangles are right, so each has a 90-degree angle. In triangle PQR we already have one 90 degrees angle and Q equals 18 degrees, so the third angle, P, is 180 minus 90 minus 18 is equal to 72. Since P corresponds to S, S is 72 degrees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SAT math content.